Yo. Alright, this is July 4th. Yo, someone's lighting balloons in the air, it's funny. Shit. Yeah, it's definitely a balloon. Someone's lighting. It's a second. Yeah, it's definitely a balloon, I see it.
They tie a flare to it, you think?
Yeah, they have like a no, they have like a candle on it or something.
On fire up there. Look like a flare.
Yeah. Alright, I gotta turn this off. Alright, Tom. Hey, Tom.
I think there's the other one too.
Yeah, I see it too.
See that one all the way up there? I think maybe
that's a star. That's a star.
Oh, that
yeah.
thing's moving.
Alright. Alright. Woo! Oh, I gotta take up this night shot.
Trees and all. Yeah, well, you didn't want to take the tree down.
Yeah. That's much better. I'll put this on Facebook, I'll send it to you. I actually got the video from last week.
Relax, school.
Get it.
Scooby. Hey, doggy. My phone out here. Nice. What are those, the blockbusters they have over here, the ones that shoot up, they go bang. You know. Pretty sick over here. That's a nice one. Whoa! Look at that pop sound over there.
See, now you just don't see it.
Oh yeah, you can't really see what's on the ground.
But you get in the house and you got to put
yeah.
Grand finale.
Yeah, the grand finale shakes freaking everything. How's it going there, Brandon? What's up? Enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Who the hell's shooting that minis on the ground? Like, what the heck? Right there? I gotta get a few of those. Got mine this year. Oh, shit. That's pretty legit right there.
Do you watch it too? No, like where you live, fireworks. Oh, there's no fireworks? Gunfire.
You do sound like gunfire.
You want me to send you a video of the fireworks?
Nice.
Usually when it gets big,
Good couple.
it's loud. Usually when the fires are big, it makes a big noise.
You know what's really cool about this? You can zoom right all the way in.
Yeah. Alright.
Whoa.
You don't want a sunroof.
Scooby, shut up. Let's sit on top of the garage, that's a nice way. We gotta sit up on top of your house next time. I'll do that.
My house? You're not gonna be able to.
We could try.
Now I don't have it. Time I got the video going.
Think that's it?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Not done yet? Alright.
The leftovers they got.
Boom, right?
They probably.
Come on, where's the real grand finale? Yeah, brrr, a few seconds.